Look what we got tonight. We got this new Mezcal brand, Unito. All right, I'm here with John Merkins. He's the Mezcal guy. And yes, we don't have Mezcal glasses. Why? Because it's only
40% ABV.
It's 80 proof.
Right.
So that's not exactly what I look for in a Mezcal all the time. They sent me this. They sent a bunch of people this, and I like it. It's not bad. It's like a beginner's Mezcal. You know, we were looking at the website. I'm not saying it's like industrial, but it looks like from the pictures.
It's a little tough to tell sometimes the details.
Yeah, it almost looks like it's the inside of a distillery where the distillation was going on and stuff. Yep. It looked like wood fermentation.
With bagazo, which
from the pictures.
I'm not sure method, Lou. We didn't know really much about the milling method.
Didn't really say a lot, you know. I'm not sure if it's cooked underground.
Kind of looked like a picture of a
on the ground. Right.
It's very, very limited info on there.
I have to say,
it looked like stainless steel.
Yeah, it did.
Distillation, but it
did.
I don't know if there's copper coil inside or not.
It's a nice bottle, nice colorful bottle. I don't think it's very expensive. We saw it on the internet for $30 to $40.
Right.
So that's, come on.
Beginner.
It's Espadin, so it's Angustifolia. So yeah, I mean, you know what? It's from Oaxaca. I would say that before we even get into it, it's probably going to be like a beginner's Mezcal.
Yeah, right, yeah.
You know, so.
A little soft on the palate, I would say.
For the drinks, for the Mezcal drinks.
Yeah,
ooh, that would be perfect. See, I have no problem with this nose at all. To me, I'm getting a citrus blast. I'm getting the cream corn that I get a lot. I'm not getting a ton of smoke.
No, I get some tropical fruit in the background now, Lou, too. So I get that citrus, little kind of prickle, and then
it's
I
a
get some nice.
Yeah, but I'm not getting
nice tropical.
Look at the glass. Wow,
yeah,
it's got nice, taking its time. The legs coming down.
Yep.
Look at that fanning out. But I mean, it's not. It's not like. A lot of you guys like to say like acetone or rubbery or too smoky. It's not that at all. It's kind of nice nose.
Some smoke, but it's balanced. It's not
balanced.
overpowering.
I'm getting that citrus. I'm getting like a lemon thing.
All right, let's see what we got here. So
the smoke comes out a little more in the taste than it did in the nose. Is it me? Right? But there's nothing wrong with that. It's still got a citrus thing to it. Still got that creaminess. I got to be honest with you. For $30, we saw it for $30 at some places.
Right. I would say
that's a bargain.
The way the smoke is presenting itself in this, it's more. I'd probably mix it more than I'd sip, because the smoke is kind of.
The smoke is getting.
It's a little pronounced. It's a little sharp pronounced. It's not overpowering.
On the back end now.
I
feel like I bit, like a piece of barbecue or some barbecued wood or something like that. Yeah. But it's smokier.
Little wood briquette
going down, but. Nothing wrong with it. Listen, for that price, I could sip it, but better for mixing.
It's pretty light, pretty soft on the palate.
Listen, I wish him luck. I mean, for that price, $30 to $40, nice bottle, definitely drinkable. You could sip it.
Yeah.
Better for mixing. Got some good information on the back. Small batch, handcrafted. Listen, I wish him luck. Unito, give it a shot, right? John Merkins, Lou Agave.
Salud.